If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Welcome to First Garden New Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. As the spring kicks off and gardening season begins, you may be wanting to create raised beds or top off ones in which you already have existing. And you're looking at whether it's more effective to buy by the bag or by the bulk. Well, I'll give you an answer and I'll give you some supporting reasons for that answer. In front of you, you'll see two raised beds. They're 4 foot wide by 8 foot long by 10 inches high. Each bed contains 1 cubic yard of soil, equating to 2 cubic yards of soil here if they were completely level full. Now, we buy in bulk, and that is the most cost-effective way for us, and I'll explain. Each one of these beds, again, is a total of 2 cubic yards. If you was to go to the big box store or even your garden center and buy 1 cubic bag full of soil in order to fill these beds, you would need somewhere around 50 to 55 bags of soil. Let's just put a round number on that. Let's say that's $10 a bag, being conservative. That is $500 round on that. Let's go 50 bags. We buy our bulk material from Blue Ribbon Organics. It is a locally sourced company in the Milwaukee area. What you need to do if you're not in the Milwaukee area is search out a local independent compost supplier. We buy it in bulk. Last year we brought in 6.5 yards of compost raised bed mix, and it cost us a significant less than what we would have to buy if we bought by bag. So to fill these 2 beds and to have the delivery, if we just bought the soil, it'd be somewhere around about $110, give or take a little bit. A significant savings from $500. You're looking at about $380, $390 in savings by buying in bulk. And the way we do it is we buy an additional yard that we don't need for the current year, stockpile it, and then we use it for the following year to top off beds. It is cheaper if you are able to go to the garden center, the independent garden center or yard, and pick it up yourself. That reduces that delivery fee. If you don't have a vehicle, you can maybe borrow somebody's or give them a dinner to do such. We've also picked up a half a yard. We can get a half a yard of compost in buckets and reusable bags in the back of a 2-door sedan. Fill in the back seat, fill in the trunk, get a half yard. So it can be done. So buying in bulk, much, much more cost effective than buying by the bag. If you just got a few grow bags to fill up on the porch, patio, or deck, a couple of bags at the garden center, not a problem. But we always support the local company, which ours is Blue Ribbon Organics. You can find yours by just doing a quick little Google search for your area.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.